Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to be making a super easy, super speedy Victoria sandwich sponge cake. So what we're going to do is we're going to use 4 eggs, we're going to use 225 grams of butter, we're going to use 225 grams of self-raising flour and 225 grams of caster sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We've prepared already 2 8-inch cake tins. We've greased and lined them with paper, so they're ready. What we're going to do now is we're going to just carefully spoon our mixture into the tins. The cakes are now ready to go into a preheated oven of 180 degrees.
Bake the cakes on the middle shelf of the oven for 25 minutes. Check them after 20 minutes. The cakes are done when they are golden brown and come away from the edge of the tins. Press them gently to check they should be springy to touch. Set aside to cool in their tins for 5 minutes. Run a palette or a rounded butter knife around the inside edge of the tins and carefully turn the cakes out onto a cooling rack.
So here we've got our Victoria sponge, and what we're going to do is we're going to add on about 2 tablespoons of jam, some strawberries and some double cream that we've whipped up already. And here we have our beautiful Victoria sandwich sponge filled with jam, cream and fresh strawberries, and we put a bit of icing sugar on the top.
I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to our channel.
And click the notification bell.
Bye!
Bye.